All right, what's up guys? So I got a quick little tip here I want to stop and share with you. So I got some Chevy intake gaskets here. You can see this is the red one, the teal one, and then the black one's back there. So Chevy learned along the way, you know, along the motor generations. But these red ones right here, these were the original ones, and they are bad. They are defective. They're design flawed, so they were updated to the teal ones right here, which are a different material, and they're much better and seal much better. You can see these ones squish down easy. They got flat. I guess the rubber wasn't strong enough to maintain a seal. You can see these ones right here got a nice hard rubber edge on there so that it seals well. And then you have the aftermarket style right here, which are my favorite. On these ones, they have the solid rubber seal around it, and then they have the raised lip on there, like an O-ring shape to help seal. These are the best. You can get the fel-pro ones, you can get the China ones. But yeah, that's all laid out. So this was like, you know, 99 to 2002. This would be like 2003 up, right, where they upgraded it. But if you have an early model Silverado or Sierra or Chevy vehicle, it's probably got these on there if you have the 5.3 engine. I don't know, which one do you think seals better, plastic or rubber? The plastic warps too. And then of course they use plastic on the intakes too, which was dumb. But we won't go there. But yeah. Not a fan of plastic on top of my motor. So these ones just pop over these bolts and sit down in there and seal good. That'll seal way better than that plastic. All right, y'all, that's a great tip. So you're gonna wanna check out the full video when it's done, but I'll check y'all on the next one. Later.